Today I want to go through the process for scoring the rubric for student teachers in Standard for Success. First of all, the supervisor will send this request for evaluation. It'll come in your email. So you just click on that. And they may have a message here for you. Then you would just click the link and it'll take you right into the Standard for Success portal. First thing I'd like to point out is there is a tutorial that you can go in there, and it's kind of a pretend evaluation that you can get used to how it works a little bit within there without affecting the actual student evaluation. There is an email us, that email Standard for Success. If you're having any kind of technical difficulty or have a question, they can help you through that right there. You can usually reach me at torline@hanover.edu, and I am happy to help as well. So in this first section here, we'll just start in. You just click the box to indicate your score for the item. So under 1.1 professionalism, if I say the candidate is effective, you would click that and you could go ahead and write your comment. And that notates this to this particular score. Then moving down, maybe you think the candidate could have a little more problems with their communication abilities with you. And up here on the notation, talk about that. You can say, I would like to see the candidate review the lesson plans with me. Whatever the case may be. And then I like to put these in a linear order, and it doesn't actually do that, so you can play around with that. It doesn't matter, whatever works for you. So for this, for 1.3 classroom management, you can put in your comments. They can be brief, but we really need to have strong evidence for the progress of the student teacher. If for some reason you are wanting to upload a document, maybe it's a handout that the student used, anything like that, you can just choose file here, just like an email attachment, and it will put that right into the document. You have a Word doc, you have a picture, whatever you need to have, it will put it right into the evaluation. When you're finished with the first section, you can just show the next section and work your way through there as well. The initial and final evaluations are, of course, the most important and required. If you would like to do some informal evaluations, you can just request that the supervisors send you an additional observation form to fill out. And maybe you don't fill out every section of the additional one. Maybe you just want to see that they have improved a certain area from their initial evaluation and prior to the final evaluation. Anytime you do an evaluation, you will need to hit save it if you want to come back to it. It will allow you to do so. Before you finalize observation, you need to ensure that everything is as you want it to be. You can go back here and edit the observation. You can add some comments here. We would really require you to do that. Once you hit finalized observation, you cannot retrieve this particular evaluation. It will come to the faculty supervisor. If they see you've left out something, you have not included comments for each section, they can send that back to you and say, oh, hey, you didn't include comments under 1.2. And then you would do that and you would finalize observation again. And then it would go to this supervisor and they would accept it at that point. And that would be when the student teacher would be able to see that. That's the process for how you do an evaluation in Standard for Success. Please don't hesitate to reach out to your student teacher's faculty supervisor for more specific questions on the actual rubric itself, where they should land in the scoring, that type of thing. And again, Standard for Success is happy to help with any technical issues you may have with this. Thank you very much for your time and especially for working with our student teachers. Have a great day.